Okay. Not the best secret rare to start it off, but it's something. Okay, that's a card that some people have been waiting for, and a Thousand Blades. Okay, I don't even know what to do with that shit. But the new secret rare effect does look cool. Okay, that's cool. A new win condition. The really crazy ritual card that no one really needs. And that's a card that some people have been waiting for. And Nebra Disc. That's cool. Oh, Ghost Trick Break. A card we don't need, but it has the dragon rules, and that's fail. Okay, I don't even know what that card does. It's a Gemini monster, that's definitely not needed. Okay, that's okay, I guess. Oh, that's the card I wanted. Oh, I don't know why I'm opening it this time other way around. Oh, the Scales and Gaga Sister, that's cool. Blumobot, a crazy name. Flowbot. That probably does all sound horrible. Oh, that one again. I thought that was a secret rare. That's interesting. Door of Destiny, I don't really think we need that. I don't know who waits on that card, but here it is. I really find it cool that they made so many different themed boosters. Another Gaga Samurai, that card is cool. It's like Blade Armor Ninja but generic, and it can change the attack, which is really neat. But you don't really use when you have Blade Armor Ninja, you normally finish. Okay, the fusion monster. Oh, that one again. Oh, that field spell, that's a card that some people have been waiting for. And another Nebra Disc. That is cool. So we already have 2 copies. So we get a third one, but I hope we get some more Star Sirens. Of course, that's the card we want. Oh, that's cool. He does look so amazing. It's great that we got that, and despite it being a match winner. And I think it's cool how it says replica and first edition. I don't know if you can probably not see it because the camera doesn't focus right. But that's kind of unique. Okay, in that angle you can see it. Oh, why am I putting it there? Such an amazing card. That's such a great artwork. Another Flowbot. Oh, we haven't had that one. The draw. So many Ds. Another Door of Destiny. Yeah, it's kind of a bit nasty. I think we've opened it the front way because there are not really that many cards left that we haven't seen yet. Okay. Maybe we are getting the automated winner. I hope so. Oh, another Thorenti. That's great. I still need a third one and all the Zaptors. I hope I'll at least get one more Star Seraph out of the display. I do have a second one which I will open up later. Oh, Tachyon Transmigration. Great. Really great card. I just hoped Galaxy Eyes would be better so the card could be actually used. So, but negating all cards in the chain and shuffling them back into the deck is really amazing. And even can I get such cards like Thanktum. Oh, Utopic Future. It's really cool that there are no ranks here. Another scale. We have 7 boosters left. This means we have opened 17. Oh, that Pendulum. Oh, Assault Habit? Did we already have one of that? I don't think so. That's kind of crazy. And Kabuki Dragon. He is not good, but he looks cool. Oh, Gaia System. I think that's the third or the fourth. Another Kabuki Dragon. Another Numbers Hunter. I don't really like that they change that it says Zahlenjäger on the German version. It's not even the same as the numbers that are called Nummern. That's just horrible. Oh, another Utopic Future. That card is cool. You can play it in a lot of different decks, so I don't. But you need a space. It's very problematic. That card again. Oh, Galaxy Soldier. That card was an Assault Harbor. That was a cool pack. For the last pack. Maybe we are getting a Star Sovereign Scepter or the third throne. I don't really hope that's the case, that we go out with no Scepter, but we could also get one of the replicas. Spider Angel. Scale. That's a Star Seraph. Thought Harbor. It's getting better. Oh my god. And for the last card, Onomatopia. Oh my god. That was probably the worst pull I could have gotten out of the last pack.